This is the phone. I'm coming to replace the charging system. Okay. The first thing you have to take out the SIM tray. Remove the SIM tray first. Just take out the SIM tray like this. Okay. Then you open the cover. This is clip. No need to put out the heat machine. Just use the clip. Open the clip like this with the pencil right round. Okay. Open it right round like this. Okay. Be careful when you open it for the fingerprint cable. Just slide it a bit like this and disconnect the fingerprint cable from here. Okay, you take it out. Then you take out all the screw down from this charging system. Okay. Before you remove the charging system, make sure the phone is off. Okay. Make sure the phone is off before you remove the charging system. Okay. Then you take out the down here. Remove it with one side. Okay, this one the network cable. Okay, then this one the connector here. Okay, take out the charging system. There's glue on it, just do it slowly. Okay, now it's time to fix the new one. You just put the new one like this, very straight. Make sure you slide in the clip inside like this. Okay, you slide the clip here so the charging system can rest properly like this. Then clip these two sides. Make sure all these two sides inside very nice. Okay, then you fix the connector. Okay, then you fix the network cable. Make sure you fix the network cable very nice so the network will become very strong. Okay, then you put back the ringer. Okay, then you replace all the screws you take out from the back here. So many screws. Make sure you replace all the screws. Make sure you place all the screw back of the phone. Okay, after you put all the screw, okay, then make sure you fix back the fingerprint cable. Just bend it like this a bit so you can fix it from this side. Okay, then you put the back cover very straight like this. Okay, then you fix back the SIM tray. Okay, then you put the phone on charge to test the charging system, see if the charging system is working. Okay, the phone is charging now, everything is okay, that means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.